Welcome in everybody, my name is Sean Canizzo, your product specialist for Team Wendy, and today on our Headstrong Knowledge Vault video, we're going to talk about changing out your retention system to a Team Wendy Cam Fit retention system.
This process is going to be the same for all helmets that feature a no through-hole design. The first thing that we want to do is start by removing our pads. Next, you'll notice that on the no through-hole design helmets, the male end slides into the edge band. The best practice is to use a pair of needle nose pliers to depress on each side so they come out. Pull slightly up, and they'll come out. Moving over to the other side and the back, same thing, depress the intents, they come out. Moving to the sides, and the last one. The last thing that's left is our headband on the inside, on the front. I'm just going to remove that. Now we're going to go back to the reinstall of our no through-hole cam fit retention system. Best practice is to place the BOA to the back of the helmet for an easy reference point. The next thing that's important to do is make sure that none of our lanyards to our chin strap are crossed before we place the clip back in. Get your chin strap out of your way. Moving to the other side, nothing is crossed. Moving to the front of the helmet, now we need to take our headband. What you'll notice is the center point of the headband. You'll notice the center point on the helmet. Fold that so it's nice and even. Find the center of the edge band and spread out your headband on the inside of the helmet. Just below the edge band.